What are you saying, YouTube? Now I've been doing this YouTube thing for about a year now, so I wanted to do a collab of everything I got up to in 2018. We managed to get to 500 subscribers in the year. Now I want to thank everyone that's subscribed, that's watched, that's left a comment, liked, or done anything that involves in the Jaymono channel. I really thought no one would watch it. It's kind of taken off a bit more than I thought it would. And although 500 subscribers might not seem much, it is a lot to me. And we'll see where it goes in the future. Got some big plans for 2019. So yeah, continue watching, and I'll catch you next time. So the neighbours just hit us up.
Come round and fucking asked me to fix her car.
I'll test out the chest mount and the head mount inside the car.
Fucked it. Well, it's good. Joe's done a good job. With the bird.
Shut up.
Where are we going?
Well, yeah.
Africa.
Come on.
We are going to Luxembourg. Got a car, got our compadres, we've got our Apache. We going today? Woo!
There we go, it's up the top.
Luxembourg to Salzburg.
I
think Austria, where Hitler had his lair.
Hungary.
Very hungry, Budapest.
I reckon Switzerland, Italy. 'What are the checkpoints?
Budapest to Nuremberg. What do you think I said?
That it's got a thrush and it's got a tash.
It's all true.
Bad to think what actually went on literally right at this step.
Mate.
7 hours and 7 minutes, if you can see that.
7 hours
from Nuremberg. We've made a slight detour, haven't we, Jamie?
Yeah, the sat nav messed up.
So we've lost our register plate. So now we're making a new register plate. Or at least attempting to.
It's funny because the first video of us prepping it,
yeah.
put the number plate back on.
Dope. Ta-da!
You can see that.
7
the worst one. Here, we've got one here as well, and it is buckled. Where's it buckled? Just here. So a lot of you that watch me for my Fiesta ST videos might not know about the Golf I had stored in the garage. Basically, this Golf took us 2,400 miles around 11 countries in Europe in 4 days. And it didn't miss a heartbeat. Literally, the only thing that fell off was the number plate in Germany, and we drove all the way back from Germany to the garage without a number plate. I'm gonna be selling the Golf. Yeah, it's as simple as just clicking the handbrake plastics back in to get it in. Just snap the head of that off. This was my setup when it started raining because I was using the greenhouse as protection for the camera. What you say on YouTube? Today's the day. I'm finally getting the wheels put on the ST. Doesn't hold itself up. Yeah, that ain't good. Yeah, we've still got the idle issue. See there, that big slit all the way up there and all the way up there. So what's happened is obviously that split, but that's telling the ECU that there's more air in the system. It's quite cool though, because you can see all like, if you can see too well in there. Well, let me get a light. You can see proper into the intake, see the valves there. Right, now the car's warmed up a bit. Every single time I rev, comes back to idle where it should be.